everyone keeps saying buying a home is the dream. And yes, I get it. Here are 5 reasons why this could be the biggest financial mistakes of your life. Number 1, the borrowing cost. The borrowing cost is still pushing. The interest rate, despite the cut in Canada, the policy rate is still 2.75%, double what we used to pay a few years ago. This is still hundreds of dollars every month on a typical mortgage. Reason number 2, the closing costs. Nobody tells you about the closing costs, right? The legal fees, the inspection, the insurance, the land transfer, and everything else. Before you hang that home sweet home sign, you would have burned about 10 to 20,000 in cash that you will never see. Number 3, the maintenance. Maintenance never sleeps. So the furnace is gone, the roof is leaking. Congratulations, you are the landlord and the handyman as well. A homeowner spends an average of about 12,000 just to keep the lights on. Number 4, if you need to move for work, for study, for any reason, or perhaps you're a travel nurse like some people are, you don't want to buy because the market can dip at any time and it might not be in your favor because you might have paid a whole lot of money within a short space of time. Houses are very slow to sell in some instances as well, so your asset can be a trap in your own case. Number 5, opportunity cost. Locking 6 figures equity in your bricks seems great, but you might miss some yield investment. One of the freedom to start business or opportunity cost. So you're locking in some money, you're locking in the equity into a brick means that you're missing on a higher yield investment, or perhaps the freedom to buy a business that you keep dreaming of. So should you buy or not to buy? Well, if you're looking to stay property for less than 5 years, maybe you shouldn't buy. If you have less than 6 months in emergency funds, you might want to wait a little bit. If your mortgage plus your upkeep is going to be more than 30% of your net income, you might want to rethink. Share this with someone who is house hunting but cash poor that needs to hear this. So, renting in some cases could be much more favorable than buying. It's not a popular opinion, but I thought I'd let you know.